Hey and welcome to Vlogly Day 2. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this braised cabbage in just a few simple steps. So you'll basically need cabbage, and this is how you should slice your cabbage for this quick recipe. Now, this cabbage has loads and loads of benefits and is easy to put together. Cabbage is high in fiber, it aids digestion. I recommend it for weight management. It's packed full of vitamins and minerals. So you want to braise it. This is how you braise vegetables. So you start by adding oil to a hot pan on low heat, and then you bring in your cabbage. I added a pinch of salt to all of this. But before then, this is what you're looking for. If you want it darker than that, then please go ahead. So you want to keep turning. No, you just turn both sides and that's it. So I was saying that cabbage is packed full with vitamins and minerals for your overall health. Cabbage is low in calories. It contains antioxidants that will support a healthy immune system. I recommend it for your heart because it is low in cholesterol. Cabbage has loads of water in it, so it provides good source of hydration. It may help to reduce inflammation. Now at this point, you want to add a little water to your cabbage and then cover it. Go ahead, cover it so that it steams just briefly for like a minute. I dashed to my garden to get my herbs, and today I'll be using onion chives. For this recipe, it calls for any fresh herbs. So I go ahead, cut my chives like so, thinly like so. Now, I learned how to cut or dice vegetables this way from watching MasterChef. Now, another thing you need to know about cabbage is that it supports healthy skin and hair due to its nutrient profile. In your pan, bring in pepper flakes, black pepper, soy sauce, and that cabbage liquid that we used in steaming. You want to bring that in at this point. While we adding soy sauce, it's for the savory flavor. Now stir all of this together, add your garlic, and you could do fresh or dry garlic. I really would like to say thank you for watching this content. Please go ahead to like this video. Leave me a comment or two. Let me know what you thought about this recipe, and consider subscribing if you haven't. So I added my chives to this, turned off my heat because you do not want it to turn black and lose its nutrients. Then I brought in honey, and there you have it. Braised cabbage, a simple and flavorful recipe. Do not forget to introduce the rest of the sauce to the top of your cabbage. I ate mine with basmati rice. You can eat this by itself or with couscous, bulgur wheat, or anything that you fancy. Lastly, I garnish with sesame seed. There you have it. Thank you.